I'm gonna give up. Alan, Ken, come in here. Just a minute, you gotta wear this, so. Because you do. Because you're the toilet king.
But it's not my birthday.
I'm really confused.
Alan, look at your cake, and you won't be confused. How old are you?
I'm 48.
Right.
Oh! Now everybody's confused.
This coming December, you're turning.
49
Right.
in 6 months.
And we're doing this because...
in July!
Christmas isn't in July.
It is this year.
So I'm supposed to blow this up.
Yeah.
So do I have a girlfriend?
Come over here so you can enjoy it too. 40's coming. I guess it should have been 48, huh?
Because you are the toilet king. I love that one.
So totally confused.
How's that?
Thank you.
No.
It's a vicious Saturday. I almost like it.
Just sit down for a while.
Okay.
Probably easier.
Samantha's.
I don't understand.